Apex Motorhome. Today, we are sitting inside a monster motorhome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
This is not just an RV. This is a rolling mansion from the future. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, where today we're diving into a jaw-dropping $4 million futuristic Kenworth RV that looks like it drove straight out of 2050, and trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. From the very first glance, the bold white and orange exterior commands attention like a concept vehicle brought to life. Built on a powerful Kenworth platform, this triple-floor motorhome blends heavy-duty engineering with ultra-luxury living. The aerodynamic body lines, custom LED lighting, and futuristic grille design make it look more like a spaceship on wheels than a traditional RV. Let's start right at the front, inside the driver's cab. This is where power meets precision. You get a fully digital cockpit with a panoramic smart display, advanced navigation, and AI-assisted driving systems. The seats are premium leather, fully adjustable, heated, and ventilated, designed for long-haul comfort. The steering is smooth, visibility is crystal clear thanks to digital side mirrors, and the cabin is wrapped in soft ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. And yes, this beast is packed with radar systems, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance tech, and a full 360-degree camera system, making it not just powerful but incredibly safe and smart on the road. Now step inside the main living area, and this is where things get unreal. The first floor welcomes you with a luxury lounge that feels like a high-end penthouse. There's a massive U-shaped sofa, smart glass windows, and a hidden big-screen TV that rises with a single touch. The lighting system is fully customizable, and the entire space is climate-controlled with whisper-quiet air conditioning. Right next to it is the kitchen, and this is not your average RV kitchen. We're talking marble countertops, a full induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and a smart refrigerator. Every cabinet is soft close, custom designed, and finished to perfection. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or hosting guests, this space delivers. Moving further in, you'll find a luxurious bathroom setup. A full-size glass shower, modern vanity, premium fixtures, and even heated flooring, because comfort doesn't stop anywhere in this motorhome. Now here's where it gets next level, the second floor. Yes, this is a triple-floor motorhome, and the second level is dedicated to relaxation and privacy. This is your master bedroom suite. A king-size bed sits in the center, surrounded by elegant lighting, premium textures, and massive panoramic windows. There's a walk-in closet, built-in storage, and even a private lounge corner. And of course, tech is everywhere. Smart controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, blinds, and entertainment, all from your phone or voice command. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's go up to the third floor. This is where the magic truly happens. The top level is designed as a sky lounge experience. Think of it as your private rooftop retreat. There's a glass ceiling option, lounge seating, minibar setup, and a full entertainment zone. Whether you're parked in the mountains, desert, or beachfront, this space gives you a view that no hotel can match. And yes, the entire motorhome is powered by an advanced energy system, including solar integration, high-capacity batteries, and smart energy management, making it as efficient as it is luxurious. Storage? Absolutely massive. Hidden compartments, external bays, and smart storage solutions are built throughout the vehicle, ensuring you can carry everything you need without sacrificing space. The white and orange color theme continues inside with subtle accents, giving it a futuristic yet warm feel. Every detail, from stitching to surfaces, has been carefully crafted to match its $4 million price tag. And let's not forget performance. This Kenworth RV is built for the road. A powerful engine, smooth suspension, and heavy-duty chassis ensure that despite its size, it drives like a dream. This is more than just a motorhome, it's a statement. It's luxury, innovation, and futuristic design all combined into one incredible machine. So if you're someone who dreams big, travels in style, and wants to stand out wherever you go, this is the ultimate RV experience. Make sure to subscribe to Apex Motorhome for more insane builds like this, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.